Let me show you how you can make a passport photo very quickly from your mobile straight away. You don't need to go to studios, you don't need to spend money, you don't need to print anything. From your home, straight away you can do it.
You need to go to Google and search for Cutout Pro passport photo. Once you click on the first link, then we can go here. So you need a photo. So have a good photo, take a selfie or give your phone to someone else. Just do a photo with a good lighting. So once it's done, click upload photo. I'm going to choose this photo. Once it's done, so the photo will be uploaded. You can see the photos automatically uploaded. You can see there are specifications. You can choose whatever the country you want the photo to. So, it's automatically standard size is there, and you can choose, you can multiple print if you wanted to do different prints, and you can do that as well. So just keep it as there. In here, you can choose the backgrounds. If you wanted light background, according to your need, you can change the background. I'm going to leave it down there. Click on here. This is where magic happens. You can choose and you can apply the filters that what you want to do. Before you do that, you have to log in with your email. So once it asks you to log in with your email, so make sure you click on your email or Gmail and log in with it. So once it's done, this is quite good. So I'm going to choose this. This is very quick. Once it's done, what you can do is you can download the photo. That's quick as that. So there you go. That's also done. Click done here. So now you can see the original photo. This is how it looked. Then this is the results. So you can download it. There you go. The photo is downloaded. Hopefully this video is very helpful. If you like this video, please like the button and see how well you done. Share with your friends and family.